I was a horrible leader, and it became a problem in my business life, in my personal life, for my mental health, my emotional health.
My business partner punched me in the face. And that's only the second worst thing that happened to me that week. But I realized that was the greatest gift that I've ever been given. Because I realized in this life that if you want to go far, if you truly want to go far, you have to look in. So if you want these changes on the external part of your life, it starts with what's inside.
Successful leaders aren't created by accident. If you need to build high-performing teams, scale a company, and make a bigger impact, then there's no better choice than to bring in our Michael Anderson.
So I'm going to teach you the 3 shifts that I had to learn to transform myself as a leader. And it's the same 3 shifts that I teach, like Karen said, SAP, Microsoft, Uber. It's the same 3 shifts that everybody that I've worked with, the tens of thousands of business owners I've worked with over the last bunch of years, learned to shift them into really, really effective leaders.
He has first-hand experience as a successful business leader through starting, scaling, and exiting 3 of his own enterprise software companies, one of which landed on the Inc. 5000 list and won the #1 best place to work.
My businesses started to flourish because I was making connections with my employees. I was really getting to know them. I created a great culture. We created these amazing relationships with our customers. We were giving back to the community. Look, I'm not going to lie to you. I like making money. Money's fun, and I'm a competitor. And I want to create something special. I want to create something, again, for my employees, my customers. That's really important to me. And it's like I found it. I found that system.
Michael has taught and mentored leaders from all different sizes of businesses. Stanford University has brought him into work with their startup ecosystem, and large firms like PwC, Microsoft, and Salesforce bring him in to turn their managers into strategic leaders. He's a former radio show host, is a featured contributor to Entrepreneur.com, has written 2 best-selling business leadership books, and was named Social Entrepreneur of the Year. Michael is known for his storytelling skills and vulnerability. He brings up the issues that leaders worldwide deal with, yet rarely discuss.
Because at that time, I had a bunch of staff, we had offices, we had all these things, but I had deep down within me, I thought I was a fraud. And my biggest fear was that somebody was going to find out and it would all come crashing down. Because as business people, as these driven people, as these leaders out there in the world, oftentimes we're so hard on ourselves, aren't we? So I teach psychological tools about how to just come into more compassion with yourself. Because we need that compassion, because the things that we have to deal with as business owners, as entrepreneurs, as business leaders are so tough. Nobody else in the world can understand it.
To empower, activate, and inspire your leaders, bring in our Michael Anderson and get them on the right track right now.
Thank you.